Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and if you can't tell by my smile, I'm very excited about this. I decided to treat myself when we were in Melbourne the other week, and I've been saving really hard and working really hard these past few months or years, I guess, since I started my full-time job almost 2 years ago. And I know some people might think it's a bit ridiculous to spend this much on a bag, but it's what I like to spend my money on, so if you don't like it, you don't have to watch this video. But I'm really excited about it, and I watched so many unboxing videos on YouTube. I was like, I want to do one. So here we go. Should I just start? This is the bag. You can tell I'm not used to doing these. Okay, let's just do it. Let's just pull it out. So this is the box inside, and funny story, because I was coming back from Australia, I like declared it and got duty-free back, but because of that I had to like undo the ribbon and show the woman the bag, so I tried my best to tie it back up in a bow, but I'm just not as skilled as those people who work at Louis Vuitton. Even though I did work at a gift registry back in my day at university, my bow tying skills are just not up to Louis Vuitton standards. But it's a beautiful box, navy ribbon, orange box, and I had a little card which I wasn't expecting. I didn't see this until I got almost to the airport, I think, but it's like a little postcard, and it's written by the Louis Vuitton sales assistant who helped me, whose name was Ernest, and he says, "Congratulations on your first bag with us here at Louis Vuitton Collins Street. We hope you build lots of memories with it. Kind regards, Ernest." And Ernest was like the coolest guy helping me out at the store. So if you end up watching this, Ernest, shout out to you. Ernest also gave me some sample perfumes, so now my bag smells really beautiful like perfume as I unbox it. Also in the bag was the little receipt. The paper and the quality of this is just so extra and gorgeous. Like the fact that they like package up your receipt and it's got the logo. But I don't want to open the receipt because that reminds me how much it cost. Also, if you couldn't tell from my voice, I'm currently sick. But I really wanted to open my bag, so I put on makeup and tried to look like I'm not sick, but my throat is slowly dying. Ta-da! Here's the box. How do people do this on camera? This is really awkward. Opening the box. It's a bag inside a box inside a bag. I'm just gonna put it down here on my lap and pull it out. Oh my god, this is so weird. I cannot believe I own this. Oh, my dad's opening the garage. We'll have to pause. It's very loud. Jeez, Dad. So this is the beautiful dust bag. Oh my goodness. I can't even, guys. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. I'm such a loser. Da-da, da-da, ta-da! I find it really funny that they flat pack their bags, and I'd seen it on YouTube from other people's unboxings, but when I was like paying for it at the counter, Ernest, the sales assistant, got it out and he's like, "No, I don't want you to panic, but when you unbox it, it's gonna look flat like this." And I was like, "Don't worry, Ernest, I know." So let's just sort of unfold the bag. Oh my gosh, my mum is looking at me through the window. Hi, Mum. Ta-da! Okay, it's got a little drawstring bag attached to the zipper, which I'm assuming has the padlock on it. Ugh. Oh, now there's an airplane. Imagine if I unboxed this whole thing and the sound wasn't working. Ooh, beautiful padlock. Look at that. Should probably actually do some close-ups on the bag later. Oh no, I got a fingerprint on the padlock already. How did I do that? I swear I didn't touch it. Oh no. I think my padlock is tarnished. Let me pull it off and have a look at it. Oh no. Oh, I've lost the keys already. Oh dear. Oh, it's okay, I found them. I think I'm gonna have to put these keys in a safe place, or else I'm never gonna be able to unlock the padlock ever again. Oh. You can do it, Ellen. You can figure out how to... Oh, there we go. There we go. I got it. Don't panic. Oh, the padlock's so much like shinier and heavier than I thought. Okay, let's just move on from the padlock and talk about the bag, because that's probably what you're all interested in, really. I think inside the bag, if I unzip it... Oh, that zipper. So luxurious. Inside here should have the strap. I think I'll need to extend the strap. It's quite short at the moment, but you get the gist of it. Oh, it's falling apart. How does this all work? Oh my god, I'm such a Louis Vuitton noob. I'm like, there's so much packaging. Okay, I've put my strap together and extended it to kind of like the longest length, I think, because obviously I'm quite tall. I'm 5'11", so to wear it crossbody I need a little bit longer. So as you can now see, the bag that I went for is the Speedy Bandouliere, which means it comes with the strap, and it is in the size 25, and it is in the Damier print. Let's hope I pronounced all of those words correctly. I took French for like 5 years in school, but lost all of my accent. Basically, I went for this bag because I love the checkered print. It is the classic original Louis Vuitton print that they first came out with in the early 1900s or the late 1800s, right back when he first started doing luggage. And the particular Speedy shape was the first handbag that they created. It came out in 1930, and this particular size was actually personally requested by Audrey Hepburn. She was just like, yo, Louis, my mate, I need a smaller version of your bag for everyday use. I'm sure she probably didn't say it exactly like that, but you get my drift. This bag has a lot of history behind it, which I love. I love the history of labels and things like that. And this bag, this particular style, they still make in France as well, which I think is really beautiful. And there's just so much craftsmanship and work that's gone into it. I think it was last year I was watching old episodes of The Hills on the 10th anniversary, and everything they were wearing was just looked so outdated and so old and so early 2000s. Everything except their Louis Vuitton handbags. I just think they're so timeless, so elegant, and in particular this print, it's just gorgeous. I'm not super into that whole like heavy logo print anyway. And I love the gold hardware. In this particular style, it has treated leather straps, which means, unlike the logo print, which has a raw leather, means I can take it out in the rain. I don't have to worry about it getting rain spots or staining or aging. It's just gonna look like this and be beautiful forever. So I guess that's my bag. I guess that's the unboxing. I kind of just want to keep talking about handbags, but I feel like I should finish this video. I was just looking at the padlock. There it is under my bum. And it does have like a really weird like fingerprint like tarnished stain. Please focus. I'm not sure if you can really see it in this camera lighting, but like in person it's like a really obvious like stain on the metal and I can't wipe it off. So I think I might take that into the Louis Vuitton store here in Auckland. But other than that, I'm so happy with the bag. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more videos. Leave some suggestions for videos you would like to see in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!